Our average natural ring has been and is still $30,000, but our average lab grown ring is now around $10,000. So there's a big discrepancy, and it's really kind of controlled by budget.
It's so interesting because I read this thing where it was like, we don't go around telling babies that were made via IVF, like, you're not a real baby. Yet,
Right.
like, we go around telling women that have lab grown diamonds, that's not a real diamond.
Mm-hmm.
Is that because, similar to how even the engagement ring industry was developed by De Beers, there's been some sort of like marketing ploy by brands, maybe not Ring Concierge since you've embraced them since you started, but like, has there been anything that we wouldn't know as a consumer in the industry where there's been propaganda to try to sway people away from lab grown because they are more affordable?
Oh, yeah. And I don't know if it's necessarily been propaganda against lab grown versus a really heavy push that natural is better. And that definitely comes from De Beers, which makes sense. They're the world's largest site holder. Like,
Yeah.
they would be foolish to not try to figure out how to make people feel like natural diamonds are the superior diamond. And they've been pushing this for a long time, but it's not working. You know, it's really not working. As a business, they're not looking great. Like, if you look into the state of their business and the health of their business, it's not in a great place. And 60% of engagement rings, despite that effort, are still lab grown. So you can only do so much, but consumers are savvy. They do their research. They look at both in person. To your point, you cannot visually see the difference. So some people just are uncomfortable with the idea of it. Like, it's such a sentimental item. It's still really expensive. I just want to know it's from the earth. But other people are like, I don't care. I just want a big honking ring and I don't want to spend a ton on it.